I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the Volkswagen Golf 7th generation, produced from 2012 to 2019. This hatchback has been a staple on United Kingdom roads, known for its blend of practicality, performance, and that signature German engineering. However, like any car, it comes with its share of weaknesses that owners should watch out for. We will start with the most common issues and explore both the good and bad sides to give you a balanced view. Let us kick off with one of the most frequently reported problems: the timing chain tensioners. In many Golf models, especially those with the 1.2 or 1.4-liter TSI engines, the tensioner can fail prematurely, leading to a rattling noise or even engine damage if not addressed. Owners often notice this around 80,000 to 100,000 kilometers, and repairs can cost between £500 and £1,000 at a specialist garage. On the positive side, when functioning well, these engines deliver impressive fuel efficiency, sipping as little as 5 litres per 100 kilometers on motorways. Next up is the notorious water pump leaks, another headache for Golf 7th generation drivers. The water pump is integrated with the thermostat in many variants, and seals tend to degrade, causing coolant leaks that can overheat the engine if ignored. This issue pops up after about 60,000 kilometers, with replacement parts and labor setting you back around £300 to £600. That said, the Golf's cooling system is otherwise robust, helping maintain steady performance during long drives across the United Kingdom's varied terrain. Moving on to transmission troubles, particularly with the DSG automatic gearboxes found in higher spec models. These dual-clutch units can suffer from mechatronic failures, resulting in jerky shifts or complete loss of gears, often requiring a pricey rebuild costing over £1,000. Many owners report this in cars with over 100,000 kilometers, especially if servicing has been skimped on. However, when in top form, the DSG provides lightning-fast gear changes that make city driving in places like London a breeze, enhancing the overall fun factor. Carbon buildup in the direct injection engines is another common gripe that affects performance over time. Residue accumulates on the intake valves, leading to reduced power, rough idling, and higher fuel consumption, think jumping from 6 to 8 litres per 100 kilometers. A walnut blasting cleaning service might run you £200 to £400 every 50,000 kilometers or so. Positively, these engines offer punchy acceleration and responsive handling, making the Golf a joy on twisty British B roads. Turbocharger issues round out our top 5 weaknesses, especially in the GTI and R performance variants. The turbo can fail due to oil starvation or bearing wear, causing a loss of boost and potential engine knock, with repairs easily exceeding £800. This tends to surface after 90,000 kilometers of enthusiastic driving. On the brighter side, the turbo setup delivers exhilarating power, allowing the Golf to sprint from 0 to 100 km per hour in under 7 seconds, appealing to speed enthusiasts. Beyond these mechanical woes, electrical gremlins can plague the Golf 7th generation, such as faulty infotainment screens or sensor malfunctions in the adaptive cruise control. These issues often stem from wiring harness problems, costing a couple of £100 to fix at a Volkswagen dealer. Yet, the car's advanced tech, like the optional virtual cockpit, provides a modern driving experience that rivals pricier competitors. Suspension components, including bushings and shock absorbers, wear out faster than expected on United Kingdom's pothole-ridden roads. Drivers frequently replace them around 70,000 kilometers, with bills around £400 for a full set. That being said, the Golf chassis is tuned for excellent stability, offering a comfortable ride even on long journeys to Scotland or Wales. Fuel system problems like high-pressure pump failures in diesel models can lead to starting issues and poor economy. Repairs might hit £500, but regular maintenance with quality fuel helps mitigate this. Conversely, the TDI engines shine with their torque, pulling effortlessly while achieving over 20 km per litre on highways. Interior quality holds up well, but some owners complain about creaky plastics and fading trim after years of use. A deep clean or minor replacements cost little, around £50. The cabin's ergonomic design and spacious boot, however, make it ideal for families, fitting everything from shopping in Manchester to camping gear for the Lake District. Braking systems are generally reliable, though warped discs from aggressive driving can necessitate replacements every 40,000 kilometers at about £200 per axle. The Golf's brakes provide strong stopping power, instilling confidence in wet British weather. Overall, Safety features like multiple airbags and stability control earn it high Euro NCAP ratings. Exhaust gas recirculation valve clogs are a diesel-specific issue, reducing efficiency and triggering warning lights. Cleaning or replacement runs £200 to £300. Still, the Golf's emissions compliance meets United Kingdom standards, helping with lower road tax bans. Air conditioning compressors sometimes fail, leading to warm cabins during rare heat waves, with fixes costing £400. The system's efficiency otherwise keeps passengers comfortable year-round. Plus, the Golf's resale value remains strong, with well-maintained examples fetching £5,000 to £15,000 on the used market. Bodywork corrosion, though rare, can appear on wheel arches in salty coastal areas like Cornwall. Prevention with underbody treatments costs under £100 annually. The sleek design, however, turns heads and ages gracefully compared to rivals. Tire wear can be uneven due to the car's front-wheel drive setup, especially on performance tires, requiring replacements every 30,000 kilometers at £100 per tire. Handling benefits from this, offering grip that's fun yet forgiving for everyday drivers. Battery drain from parasitic electrical draws affects some models, leaving owners stranded. A new battery and diagnostic check might cost £150. Reliability in starting is otherwise solid, even in cold United Kingdom winters. Oil consumption is higher than average in petrol engines, needing top-ups every 5,000 kilometers. This is a minor annoyance at £10 per litre, but the engine's refinement makes up for it with smooth operation. Clutch wear in manual transmissions occurs around 80,000 kilometers with replacements at £400. The gearbox feels precise, enhancing the driving engagement that Golf fans love. Finally, software updates for the engine management system can resolve minor glitches but require dealer visits costing £50. These keep the car running optimally, showcasing Volkswagen's ongoing support. In conclusion, the Volkswagen Golf 7th generation suits practical drivers who value versatility and enjoy a spirited drive, such as young professionals commuting in cities or small families needing a reliable hatchback. It is not ideal for those seeking ultra-low maintenance or who rack up massive mileage without regular servicing, as the weaknesses can add up in costs. Overall, with proper care, it remains a smart buy in the United Kingdom market for its balance of fun, efficiency, and everyday usability. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.